The key to the power and fuel economy of diesel engines is managing the combustion temperatures in the engine. The exhaust gas recirculation valve, or EGR, takes some of the exhaust as it's leaving the engine and recirculates it through the air intake to be reburned in the engine. This blend of exhaust gases and incoming air lowers combustion temperatures and reduces harmful emissions. But EGR gases from a diesel tend to bring a sooty mess with them that will gum up the EGR valve, EGR cooler, intake ports, and any sensors that are exposed to it. Problems with the EGR system are often caused by a lack of maintenance. The EGR gets coated with deposits, especially when driving at low speeds or at idle. Eventually, it can't work properly, and the engine starts to produce excessive particulate emissions. These travel downstream where they're captured and burned off in the diesel particulate filter. When the EGR is very dirty, the filter can become overloaded. Your performance and fuel economy suffer. A Wynns Power Diesel Induction and EGR cleaning service restores EGR operation, improves airflow through the induction system, and reduces DPF regeneration cycles. This improves fuel economy, reduces particulate emissions, and restores overall engine performance. Ask your professional service consultant about a complete diesel induction service to extend the life of your intake and exhaust system.